Project management is the backbone of successful business operations. It involves planning, executing, and closing projects effectively, ensuring that goals are met on time and within budget. The benefits are substantial. It enhances efficiency, optimizes resource allocation, and improves team collaboration. A project concept refers to the initial idea or plan for a project that defines its scope, objectives, and the overall approach to be taken. This concept serves as the foundation for further planning and development. Key elements of a project concept include clear and measurable goals that the project aims to achieve, the boundaries of the project, including what is included and excluded, identification of all parties involved or affected by the project, including sponsors, team members, and end users, initial estimates of the resources required to accomplish the project objectives, and the reasoning behind the project, including the problem it aims to solve or the opportunity it seeks to exploit. Project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to execute projects effectively and efficiently. It involves planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources to achieve specific goals within a defined timeline and budget. The key elements of project management include defining the project at a broad level and identifying stakeholders, developing a detailed project plan outlining tasks, resources, timelines, and budgets, implementing the project plan and carrying out project activities, tracking project performance and making necessary adjustments to ensure objectives are met, and finalizing all project activities and formally closing the project. A feasibility study is an assessment of the practicality and potential success of a proposed project. It involves analyzing various aspects to determine if the project is viable and worth pursuing. The study typically includes evaluating whether the project can be completed with the available technology and resources, analyzing the cost-effectiveness of the project, including cost-benefit analysis and potential return on investment, assessing any legal and regulatory requirements that must be met, reviewing the organizational capacity and resources to successfully complete the project, and examining timelines to ensure the project can be completed within desired time constraints. Project contracting involves the process of acquiring goods and services from external suppliers or contractors through agreements or contracts. Key components of project contracting include understanding various contract types such as fixed price, cost reimbursable, and time and materials contracts, clearly defining the expectations, responsibilities, and deliverables for both parties to ensure a mutual understanding, engaging in discussions to reach agreements on price, terms, and conditions before finalizing a contract, and monitoring the performance of contracted parties to ensure compliance with the contract terms, managing any disputes that may arise, and facilitating timely payments. The project life cycle refers to the stages that a project goes through from initiation to completion. It typically includes defining the project and assessing its feasibility, developing a comprehensive project management plan outlining tasks, timelines, budget estimates, resource allocations, and risk management strategies, carrying out the project work according to the project plan, tracking progress against the project plan, and concluding all project activities, handing over deliverables, and preparing a final project report. Project management processes encompass the various activities carried out during the project life cycle. They can be categorized into 5 process groups: defining and authorizing the project, establishing the scope, objectives, and procedures, implementing the project plan by coordinating resources, tracking and measuring project performance to identify variances from the plan, and finalizing all activities, completing project documentation, obtaining stakeholder acceptance, and conducting a review of lessons learned. Understanding the importance of project management is crucial for any business student. It helps mitigate risks, adapt to changes, and maintain quality standards. Key considerations include defining clear objectives, engaging stakeholders, and utilizing the right tools and methodologies. By mastering project management, you not only boost your career prospects, but also contribute to your organization's success. Embracing these principles equips you with the skills to lead projects that drive innovation and growth. Understanding the project concept. The processes involved in project management, conducting feasibility studies, properly engaging in project contracting, recognizing the project lifecycle, and effectively applying project management processes are essential for the successful execution of projects. Mastery of these elements equips project managers to lead initiatives that achieve their intended outcomes while adhering to constraints related to time, cost, and quality.